Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite elegant chef Bose, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your Efo Riro. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. Here are the list of the ingredients you need to make your Efo Riro. First thing first is your vegetable, your efo, then your locust beans, your grated onion, your blended crayfish, your red oil, your fish, that's your dry fish, and protein. For this is cow offals and cow skin, your blended pepper, and shrimps, but your shrimps is optional. So these are the list of the ingredients you need to make your Efo Riro. In the pot, you go in with your water. Make sure your water starts boiling before you go in with your vegetables. Then after that, you cover. Time for us to make our base. In a pot, you go in with your red oil. Allow your red oil to come up a bit, that's to heat for just 30 seconds. Then you go in with your blended or your grated onion. You stir fry it for just few seconds. Then you go in with your protein. This is cow skin and cow offals. You can go in with any protein of your choice. Then you just mix a bit and allow it to stir fry for just few seconds before adding your next ingredient, which is your locust beans, also known as Iru. Then you turn for a while. After that, you go in with your pepper, your blended pepper. Then you mix together, allow it to stir fry for a bit also. After that, you cover and allow it to steam for just few minutes. After that, you go in with your next ingredients. I'm going in with my seasoning cube. Then I turn a bit to make sure all ingredients are well incorporated, especially with my seasoning. Then I'm going in with my shrimps. I mix gently so my shrimps doesn't scatter in my soup. I want to be able to see it gently and mix together and allow it to steam properly. Then I'm going in with my blended crayfish. Gently mix together to make sure all ingredients are well incorporated. Note, this should be on a medium heat, not high. It should be on a medium heat. Then I cover and I keep. Remember, we were boiling our water earlier. Now our water is ready. We have to go in with our vegetable. I'm going in with my vegetable. Then I'm mixing it together to make sure the water is touching everything. After that, I'll cover and allow it to boil for just 2 minutes. You don't want your vegetables to become very or overcooked, so it doesn't lose all its nutrients. For just 2 minutes, I'll just cover and allow it to boil for just 2 minutes. I'm going to stir this for a bit. As you can see, I'm stirring it for a bit. Our vegetable is ready. I do not want it overcooked. all I have to do right now is just to sieve. Exactly what I'm doing here. This is what you should do, is you just sieve it. Then I'm going to on my tap to it to make sure to cool it down so it doesn't become overcooked. The tap is just going to run for nothing less than 10 to 12 seconds. Then I get my spatula and squeeze my water out of it. Squeeze the water out of the vegetable. After that, I'm just going to turn it inside my base. Went in on my vegetables, and time for us to turn and stir to make sure all ingredients are well incorporated. So we're going to mix and mix and mix to make sure everything is properly well mixed together. If you've gotten so far on this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kindly tell me what you think about this in the comment section. Would you try this recipe? Let me know. Then after that, I'm going in with my fish, a little bit of my crayfish, and also my meat stock to loosen it up because it is too thick. Then I mix together. So easy. Then I just cover and allow it to steam for just 2 minutes on low heat. 2 minutes on low heat. Then I gently mix together, and this is the final round. I just mix together. Take a look at this beautiful, so easy, right? If you follow the step-by-step tutorial, and I bet you're going to have the same result like I did. And this is what we have. Do you want to guess the swallow I paired this with? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. If there's any question you want to ask me, kindly drop it in the comment section, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.